Good morning, crafty friends. It's Diann with Bean Street Paper, and it's time for another 10-Minute Tuesday. I apologize about last week. We were traveling to another state for graduation, so I did not get a 10-Minute Tuesday video. But this week we are going to work on this design, and I have done two samples. One because Father's Day is coming up, and I always have scraps of random fish paper for some reason. I also have this one laying on my desk, so I guess I'll be making that one too. And then I did one that's happy birthday. So this just goes to show you that you can tailor these to make any occasion. Now, I did do these with cardstock, but you can use another pattern paper here, and that would be also very nice. So without further ado, let's get started. I have all my little pieces here. My card base, of course, which is always A2 size because you get two from 1 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I have a sheet of cardstock, which is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And a sheet of pattern paper, which is 4 inches by 3 7/8 inches. So just enough to leave a small border around the outside of that. And then I have a 1/4 inch strip and a 3/8 inch strip of cardstock that I pulled from my scrap bin, and a circle that I punched out of the same color cardstock, and a sentiment. So we're just gonna assemble this guy, and it's really easy. It's gonna go like this. We're gonna do our pattern paper. I didn't realize how quickly Father's Day is approaching. So we're gonna just put this guy to one side of our cardstock. Okay. I'm gonna use my Barely Art glue to do these strips because that makes it a little bit easier. Also, that way, before I put it on my card, I can trim if it's just a scooch too long. So I'm just gonna put this guy on here. Okay. Test it out here on the side and see. It doesn't look like it's gonna need any trimming. So I will use my ATG gun for that and just do one run down the whole strip and just kind of center it. Oh, I fibbed. It does need a little scooch of a trim. There you go. All right. So now I'm going to take my ATG and put this guy on my card base. This is great for using up scraps of pattern paper that you have laying around. I mean, you can do Halloween, do Christmas, do... Okay. And then I am going to do my sentiment. Y'all, I need new plates for my Cuttlebug, and I can't find them anywhere. So if you have a hint on where to find Cuttlebug plates or generic Cuttlebug plates, please drop it in the comments below. I'm getting some super patterned die cuts here from where they're kind of pressing into something that I've cut on a bunch of times. Okay, and the last thing you're gonna need is some dimensional adhesive, and I just did the one side here. You don't have to use dimensional adhesive, you can just glue it right on there. And then I took a super small little spot for the other and put this guy right here, just so that it doesn't affect that strip. I'm gonna peel off all my pieces. You know I like to put wet glue on the back of these guys so that they don't kinda, well, I'm gonna put glue on both of those at this point. He was hanging over the edge. I should have just trimmed it. Would have made it a whole lot easier. But it'll be all right. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of wet glue. And put this guy over my strip, just like that. And just like that, you're done. Now, I did add some bling to this one. You can, you don't have to. But it makes a super cute birthday card for anybody. Any occasion, really. So there you have it. There is your 10-minute Tuesday for this Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you would like to be part of the Facebook group or the MeWe group, I will link that down below. And on that note, y'all, go forth, be crafty. Have a great day.